are heading toward global #1 with the passion for the best and technology that makes the best quality. A company that leads the future with customers. A company that develops a new market with innovation and offers new experience to customers. The most creative and exemplary company in the high-pressure cylinder production. Established in 2003, INOCOM Inc. has been involved in research and development efforts to discover possible applications of high-pressure cylinders and has grown into a leading company not only in Korea but also globally in the fields of aviation, breathing apparatus, medical devices, military supplies, vehicle supplies, and airgun. Aviation. Based on our original technology, we manufacture products of the aerospace industry that requires a high level of technology. From the location control tank of Naro Korea Space Launch Vehicle and the satellite tank of Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, to the fuel tank of the hydrogen fuel cell unmanned system by the Korea Institute of Material Science, we are challenging the space industry and the fourth industrial revolution with our high-value-added, high-pressure cylinders. Breathing apparatus. We are a manufacturer of self-contained breathing apparatus that is used by firefighters on the scene of a fire. It requires a high level of technology as it helps them in best or even extreme conditions. The product is available in various capacities: 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes. Airgun. We have presented a new paradigm to the airgun market by developing the world's first ultralight composite high-pressure cylinder to escape from the existing steel pipe and aluminum high-pressure cylinders. It has resulted in an extended range and a variety of ultralight airguns equipped with high-pressure cylinders, attracting many airgun users. In addition, we are leading another innovation in the market by replacing the traditional steel pipes with composite material pipes. Paintball. We supply high-pressure cylinders in various sizes to suit each role of survival games, and all of our high-pressure cylinders are portable, lightweight, and beautifully designed. Mini diving. We provide high-pressure cylinders with an increased capacity and convenience to enable scuba diving learners to explore low-depth water, to avoid complications from diving in deep water for a long time when training, which is a major obstacle to students of scuba diving. The high-pressure cylinders can be used as a reserve cylinder for professional scuba divers. CNG or hydrogen. With 70% of the weight of a steel cylinder, it ensures increased fuel efficiency as well as eco-friendly performance. Equipped with a leakage before burst system based on Type 3 cylinder, it guarantees a highly stable operation. Therefore, our CNG cylinders are used in many premium vehicles, such as those with a bi-fuel system. As for the hydrogen field, we also have advanced technology and products for vehicles and stations. Our high-pressure cylinders are produced based on our key technologies: design analysis technology, manufacturing processing technology, and test assessment technology. We have been recognized for our excellent technology that complies with the technological standards locally and abroad in over 10 safety tests required by each country to ensure the safety of high-pressure cylinders. Based on our advanced technology, we have acquired KSA 9001, ISO 9001, and KSA 14001, ISO 14001 certificates, as well as production sales license for for high-pressure cylinders from the United States, Canada, Europe, China, and Japan, along with global certificates for each production area. We also obtained AS 9100, the quality management standard for the aerospace industry. We have been consistently striving to support customers effectively with good products and stable systems. We will reach our customers through ceaseless R&D, quality improvement, and innovation. We will continue to pursue research and development of new technology and change and innovation, along with various patents and certificates to become a better company. We are INOCOM Incorporated, a company that has dreams for our customers, keeps challenging ourselves to come up with better products and technology, and creates a new value to secure global competitiveness.